Some changes in pronouns are required while turning active voice to passive and passive voice to active. First, if I is given in active voice, then I turns to me in passive voice. We to us. You will be same in passive. You. He to him. She to her. It, they and them. Today we will see the future perfect tense. Affirmative sentences means positive sentences. First, Rohan will have won the first prize. So, Rohan, subject, will, auxiliary verb, have, will come because we are doing future perfect tense. Then won, here V3 form will be used. And the first prize, that is an object. This is active voice because by is not given. Okay, how to turn this active to passive? So, the first prize, that is an object in active voice, becomes a subject in passive. So, the first prize, according to the subject, put appropriate auxiliary verb, will, have, then you have to add been here because we are framing passive voice. Been plus V3 form. It is already mentioned in active voice that you have to write. By Rohan, name is given, so no change, that's why same name is given, object. The first prize will have been won by Rohan. This is passive voice. Next, they will have repaired the roof. They, subject, will, auxiliary verb, have you have to put, then V3 form. With have you have to always put V3 form. So, repair the roof, that is an object. This is active voice because by is not given and being is not mentioned. Let's turn to passive. The roof will come in the beginning. The roof will have, then add been, then V3 form. Here it is already mentioned in active voice. V3 form, same you have to write. By, they becomes they, them in passive voice. The roof will have been repaired by them. So this is passive. Let's see negative sentences. First, I shall not have arranged my all books tomorrow by this time. So, I, subject, shall, auxiliary verb, not because we are framing negative sentence, have, that you have to put, plus V3 form. Then, my all books, that object, tomorrow by this time. Extra information. This is active voice. Been is not mentioned as well as by is not given. Let's turn to passive. My all books will put not, then add have, then you have to add here been, B-E-E-N, been. Then arrange, that is V3 form, and tomorrow by this time, that is an extra information. This is passive voice. My all books will not have been arranged tomorrow by this time. Let's see interrogative sentences. First, will they have sold those plots of land? So this is active voice. Will, auxiliary verb, they, subject, have you have to put, sold, that is V3 form because we are doing future perfect tense. That's why here will, have and sold all will come. Those plots of land, so here that is an object. This is active voice. By is not mentioned as well as been is not given. Let's turn this active to passive. Will, according to this those plots of land, you have to put appropriate auxiliary verb in the beginning because we are framing interrogative construction. Will, then those plots of land, subject, then have that is given, add been and then V3 form. Same. You have to continue. Then by and they becomes them in passive voice as an object. So will those plots of land have been sold by them? This is passive voice. Next. Will you have planted a tree? Will auxiliary verb, you subject, have you have to put, then along with have you have to put V3 form, then a tree object, then put question mark. This is active voice. Let's see passive voice. Will a tree have been planted by you? Then put question mark. Will auxiliary verb or tree of object as an object in active voice becomes subject in passive voice. So or tree. Then have you have to put, then been you have to add here because we are framing passive voice. That's why. Then V3 form. Then by and you question mark. It's practice time. Change the voice. Change the voice of all these three sentences. Let's check answers. First, he will have joined that college. Answer, that college will have been joined by him. Next, I shall not have cooked my meal. Answer, my meal will not have been cooked by me. See here, I is given, that's why shall will come. Right? Here my meal, that is third person singular. That's why it is changed to will. Third one. Will they have paid him the price in my presence? Answer. Will the price have been paid him by them in my presence? Hope you learned a lot from this video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, keep watching, keep liking, keep sharing, keep learning and keep subscribing. Thank you so much.